Hey y'all, it is a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today I'm going to make something that we've made before, but we're going to make it again because it is so delicious. We are going to make tomato pie, and it is so good. The first thing you're going to do is set your oven to 325 degrees. Now, I leave my pie crust to the professional, the Pillsbury dough guy. He's the best. I like to use these little cake pans. These little round cake pans. They're about 8 inches. You can use a pie pan or even a cake pan and make it square if you'd like. I've done that before as well. But what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna spray these pans and put my crust in. Just gonna poke a couple of holes in these with a fork so they don't bubble up. We're gonna par bake these for about 8 minutes at 325 degrees. I have these little Cherokee tomatoes. Oh my gosh, these are so good. You can use any kind of tomato that you like, or you can just use regular tomatoes. I also have one of these little orange tomatoes. I can't remember what that's called. But anyway, I'm sure somebody will let me know. So you can slice your tomatoes and make it really pretty and place them into a circle around, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut mine like this. I'm gonna quarter them because I find that it was just easier to eat and easier to cut. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna let these lay on a paper towel and get all the excess juice off of them. Just gonna cut them just like that. I'm gonna lay a paper towel right on top, just kind of soak up that excess juice and set these aside. And then we're gonna make our mixture. My crusts are par baked, so I'm gonna let these cool off. See how that fell down in there? It don't matter. The more rustic, the better. Now you're gonna bump your oven on up to 375. We're making 2 pies, and I'm gonna double this recipe. So we're gonna do 2 cups of mayo, 3 cups of shredded cheese, and I went ahead and shredded my own cheese. If you don't have time for that, that's fine. But I did find a couple of bags of cheese in the refrigerator, and I thought, well, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that too. So here's a little bit of mozzarella. Let's just add a little mozzarella, maybe a half a cup. You can't have too much cheese. And then we'll do a little bit of Parmesan, about a half cup. So about 4 cups of cheese altogether, all right? Now I'm gonna add a little bit of basil. I have a little dried basil here. Let's put a little bit of that in, a good tablespoon. And I'm gonna use the blend. This is salt, pepper, and garlic. So we're gonna put that in. Same, a good tablespoon of that. Whatever spices you'd like, whatever sounds good to you. A little tahini, I've used that before. Give this a good mix. All right. Let's put our tomatoes down. Just a little bit of cheese on the bottom. Just kind of cover the bottom of this. And then take my tomatoes. Golly, that looks good. You're just gonna top your tomatoes with your mixture here, all the way to the edge. All right, there's the first pie. We're gonna zhuzh this pie up, okay? So I went ahead and chopped up some of those little Cherokee cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna mix that all in. So you got 3 different kinds of tomatoes in there. I'm gonna chop up some bacon and this onion that I got at the farmer's market. I'll do that kind of thin. That's gonna be good. Don't get the hair. Little cheese on the bottom. Let's throw in our tomatoes. A little salt and pepper. Okay, Victor? Okay. Victor almost fell down the stairs trying to carry 3 boxes up the stairs. It was scary. It's mixed in our onions and our bacon. Oh. Now that you've got bacon in there, that's a whole meal. 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Ah, that's gonna be delicious. All right, we just need to let these cool. Just gonna get a little piece of each one. Looks so good. Try this one with the bacon and the onion. Zhuzhed up. Oh yeah. They're both delicious, but I like that one better with the bacon and the onion in it. Now, I'm sure you have people who don't like bacon or onion, but That one is on point. So good. They're both good. They're both good, but the one with the bacon and the onion, so good. Go make this. You're gonna love it. It's so easy and so delicious. God dang, that's good. Okay, y'all, remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.